Palo Alto Tower, Piper Lance 416 Papa Bravo is ready for takeoff for IFR to IFR on top.
Piper Lance 416 Papa Bravo, Palo Alto Tower, hold 5 for release.
Hold for release, 6 Papa Bravo.
4 Sierra Papa, runway 31, line up and wait, traffic, helicopter left downwind.
Line up and wait, 4 Sierra Papa.
Helicopter 4, Echo Papa, runway 31, continue traffic, holding your position.
Full power,
I
go.
will call your base.
That's right, that's good. Don't lean it too much, don't lean it too much.
Cessna 13 Charlie, number 1.
Number 1, 13 Charlie.
Hold it up, pull. You gotta pull more of that. Okay, go. That's in the right direction.
Runway 31.
Over midfield and right downwind for Echo Papa.
A little rough, then right. Okay, just hold it straight, use those feet. Hold down, break it down, hold it up. Okay, let's go again.
Broken, unreadable, say request, and full call sign.
And power back all the way. We're into level out, even now.
This is 4 Sierra Papa, number 1, runway 31, clear for the option, short approach approved.
4 Sierra Papa, number 1.
Holding it off,
Papa,
holding it off,
approved.
holding it off.
Banner.
Okay, here we go.
Enter tow 53 Mike Palo Alto Tower, 33 Romeo for traffic along the train bridge, turn, cross one outside the upwind Cessna in the pattern.
Yeah, we'll go outside the
Full
Cessna,
power.
33 Romeo, we have the traffic.
Up the runway. Pull. A little better. All right, let's go. This is good. Work. We're going to go taxi off the end.
Kirby 54 Bravo, runway 31, line up and wait, traffic, Satabria, right base.
Line up and wait, 315054 Bravo.
Grumman 33 Romeo, runway 31, continue traffic, holding in position.
33 Romeo.
Hold up more. Hold yeah, there you go. Okay, we'll take it off the end. Just got out.
Skyline 901 252 Palo.
Or Echo Papa.
Flaps.
Satabria 54 Bravo, I will call your base.
You'll call base, 54 Bravo.
Pull. Okay, that was better. That was a lot better. Let's try one more, okay? Get the instruments off. I don't think the instruments had anything to do with it, but I'm just going.
Palo Alto Tower helicopter 4 Echo Papa at the 13 runoff request and left close traffic back to the spot.
Helicopter 4 Echo Papa, runway 13.